Hello everyone. Yeah, it's my honor to meet you here, and thank you Decipher for having Kite의 here in this event and in this beautiful city of Seoul. And I'm Laughing, and I'm from Kite의 team. Today, I'm here to share the future we are building. The theme of this year conference is when everything goes on chain. I love this theme because it means one thing: blockchain is no longer just a maybe. It is happening. It entering real system, real industry, and real users. So today, I will be very direct. I will tell you what Kite is doing, why we must do it right now, and introduce our project, the first AI payment blockchain. Firstly, let's look back at the history of the internet. In the early 2000s, we had the Web-first era. It was designed for humans sitting at desktops. In the 2010s, we had the Mobile-first era. It was designed for humans holding smartphones. But today, from last year to the future, we are entering a much bigger era, the agent-first era. In this era, the main traffic and users on the internet are no longer humans. They are AI agents. They have skills, they call APIs, and they process data. In the next 10 years, AI agents will create a $240 billion market. Why are we so sure the agent era is here? Because AI models just crossed a tipping point. You can look at this chart. If we compare this to August of last year, the model could only handle very small tasks. They could solve about 30% of coding problems without errors. But fast move to December when GPT 5.2 and Cloud Opus 4.5 were released. AI went from just helping humans code to agentic coding. What does this mean? It means AI can now code better than a senior human software engineer. And let me give you a real hardcore example. As Ropic, they asked a team of Cloud Opus agents to build a C compiler from scratch using Rust. The engineers spent less than $10,000 on API costs. They finished it in less than only 1 day. That means AI is becoming a super workforce. So the question isn't whether AI can do the work, it's whether the internet will let it, and whether payment system will let it do that safely. As agents get smarter, we find a big problem. The current internet infrastructure is blocking them. The old internet was built for human eyes and hands, like complex UIs, pop-ups, and Cloudflare captchas. These are safety tools for humans, but they are dead walls for agents. The future internet must be API first and Markdown first. And agents don't look at pretty website. They read structured data. Cloudflare just released Markdown for agents. The internet is forced to adapt. You can look at this tweet published by Multibook. It's actually very funny. Old captchas ask you to prove you are human. Now you have reverse captchas, prove you are an AI but not human. Even if websites become more agentic friendly, there is still a big gap. When an agent spend money for you, who do you trust and how you control permissions? And we probably are going to have an agent marketplace as well in the future, in the near future. This is actually our CTO Scout web coding for our agent marketplace. So you will have rating for agents. You will have the reputation for agents. This is actually very aligned with ERC 8004. This proposal for the agent ID and agent reputation. So when millions of agents start interacting online, a new agent economy is born. Agent will buy data, rent GPUs, and call Uber for you. If we look at a very high level, common pattern we see is that users is going to delegate the work to agents, and agents will actually interact on behalf of you. It's going to delegation based, and then the agent may interact with another agent. Agents may interact with the Uber service or Uber E service, and agents may call APIs, and maybe they will call APIs to provide some API service. So this is a common pattern. You are going to have a human-based internet to an agent-based internet. So what actually Kite plays in this case is providing a Kite passport to let users fully trust their agents and delegate work to their agents. Because today, if you ask me, hey agent, help me do some research, you probably 100% comfortable about that. But if you say, hey agent, help me do all the shopping stuff, and this is my credit card, and I'm betting you the agent will spend money at merchant speed and at any given time in this case. So you probably need to replace your credit card every few days in this case. Because essentially a credit card is just one private key. If you expose it to your agent, you basically don't know what the agent is going to do with your credit card, and you don't actually know what is going to spend your credit card on what time in this case. An agent is just a piece of code in the cloud. It has no nationality, no physical body, and it can't go to back for KYC. So how does Uber know this agent is legit? How can you give your credit card to a piece of code? So you can't. Yeah, that is why Kite의 was born. We built the Kite agent passport using blockchain cryptography, and we give every agent, data provider, and GPU provider a verifiable on-chain identity, and we use smart contracts to manage their trades. This is actually what developers can build on top of us. So Kite provides two types of service just for agentic payments, AI payments. So underlying Kite has the Kite Layer 1 blockchain. This provides zero fees in this case. You don't need to buy Kite tokens. We hope the workflow is simple enough. Like I want to buy a birthday cake, I will deposit $100 on PayPal. And then in this case, I will say, hey, C2 Open Cloud agent, help me buy a birthday cake. And I want it delivered tomorrow. So the Open Cloud agent will go through Kite agent passport, log in different website. It could be Amazon website or a birthday cake website. It will completely generate this policy envelope. And in this case, it is a $100 upper limit. I need to buy this in 24 hours. It has limitation in this case, some restriction on this case. It will compare different vendors, make a decision, make a purchase at the end of the day. And then you will have the intent matched to invoice, matched to receipt. And then in this case, end-to-end traceable and auditable. So underlying, it will happen on Kite AI blockchain with zero gas fee. And you can pay in stable coins. You don't need to expose to any of the tokens. Just PayPal in, PayPal out. And to make this feel real, let me show you a real demo.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, actually we released this in about 4 months ago. In this video, the agent goes to Uber Eats, explores the menu, browse options, and make a decision. It selects the items, check out, and completes the payment. No human click and no manual approval. Okay, so one thing that makes us fundamentally different than any of the existing solutions, if you look on the website, you find Stripe is rolling out a crypto solution in this case, and Coinbase released an agentic wallet early this week. And one thing we found is that fundamental difference is that Kite is actually built for a 3-tier ID system. So every user have an ID. Every agent will have an ID. For example, my cloud agent will have an ID. My ChatGPT agent will have an ID. And it has its own reputation as well. But I don't expose this money to my agent directly. Instead, it will generate a one-time session key. This session key is actually delegation first. So it's like $100 gold for 24 hours just to make a birthday cake purchase. And then in this case, Kite Passport will guarantee you this case, like your spending will not exceed the limit, and your spending actually match your intent in this case, end-to-end traceable to your intent. So both the demand side and the supply side need Kite and the trust layer. We are not doing this alone. The Kite mainnet launch is supported by the top partners. You can get the info from this photo. For the agent distribution, we have Cloud and Perplexity. And for the payments, we work deeply with PayPal, Stripe, and USDC. For infrastructures, we have partners like AWS, Chainlink, and Layer 0. To build this massive ecosystem, we have a hardcore team. Our co-founder and CEO, Zhang, she was previously a product manager at Databricks, and she got an AI PhD from UC Berkeley. And our CTO, Scott Shi, he lead safety data at Uber and was a founding engineer for the Salesforce AI team. We also just recruited the head of AI from PayPal joining us, and he's actually joining us at the end of this month. And we have another machine learning expert, Yusuke, leading the machine learning part. He was previously the co-founder of Data, one of the largest auto ML companies. And we also have a blockchain leadership team. We have Yijing, previously worked for VMware and McKinsey. And then we have Lei, previously she's the head of BD at Near Foundation. And Wick, previously head of ecosystem at Near Foundation. And we also have Henry as our head of ecosystem. He was the founder of Solana Super Team in Malaysia. We truly understand AI and we deeply understand infrastructure. That's why we are backed by the best AI and Web3 investors, including PayPal Ventures, Coinbase Ventures, and General Catalyst. We have raised about $35 million from these top fund and investors. Today our token is listed on all top exchanges like Upbit, Bitsum, Binance, Coinbase, and OKX. You will be surprised if you check the price trend of our Kite token. And that's all my introduction about Kite today. We believe in less than 10 years, 95% of the payments will be completed by AI, and Kite is committed to becoming the infrastructure for AI payments in the future. So if you have any question about us, feel free to contact us. Thank you.
네, 지금부터 질의응답을 진행하겠습니다. 질문 있으신 분들께서는 손을 들어주시면 감사하겠습니다.
Your vision looks like seems like good, but I'm not sure the root reason of why we showed this AI native payment layer 1 for Kite AI rather than other layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, etc. So, yeah, that's my question.
Yeah, I think I have answered this question in my PowerPoint before. We have the 3 layers design for the AI agent. Like if the agent wanted to spend your money on the blockchain or like to call taxi or buy something, it need your permission at the beginning. You need to use the smart contract to control it. And we have the different consensus mechanism for our Kite blockchain. It's similar to the POS, but it's totally different. So when you like spend money on the Kite blockchain, you don't need to pay any gas fee on our chain. It's gas zero. So I think it's so good for the agent payment situation because in the future there are many agents interact on the blockchain. If the gas fee is so high, I think it doesn't work. Yeah, I don't know whether I answer your question.
Oh yeah, right. Can I ask you one more follow-up question?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is. Can you tell me about the consensus mechanism that you told me the proof of AI distribution?
Actually, it's not the consensus mechanism is not called proof of AI now. It's our previous narrative, and it changed now. Yeah, for the technical part, maybe I don't know much about that. Yeah, maybe I can ask our CTO, then I will get back to you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll reach out to you.
Yeah, thank you.
네, 감사합니다. 이 질문을 끝으로 질의응답을 마치겠습니다. 오늘 에이전시 for all이라는 주제로 인사이트를 공유해 주신 카이트 APAC 리드 래핑 치아오님께 다시 한번 큰 박수 부탁드립니다.